friends at home. In this video, I'm going to be doing today's math lesson with you. I am here in the classroom with your face-to-face friends. Everyone say hello. Hi. And you may notice up on the screen a cute little house with a sunshine, some trees, birds, and clouds. We just made this in the classroom, didn't we, friends? Yeah. And this is the house that belongs to our fact families. We started talking a few weeks ago when we were learning addition about how numbers and math problems can be related. And then in subtraction yesterday, we were looking at how addition and subtraction can be related. And today we're going to focus on fact families. Fact families can be really fun if you pay attention and you discover the pattern. Fact families have more to do with understanding the number pattern and less to do with having to know how to add all of your numbers. So if you pay attention and you learn the pattern, you will do really well with fact families, okay? So to start out here in our little house, I'm going to tell you a story. Every fact family has 3 members or 3 numbers in it. And those 3 numbers do not change. Every fact family has 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems. How many addition? 2. That wasn't very convincing. How many addition? 2. And how many subtraction? 2. All right. So could I have 3 addition? No. Could I have 5 subtraction? No, it's 2 addition, and 2 subtraction. Subtraction. Every fact family has 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3 numbers. And this story is about a family whose family members were 8, 5, and 3. And 8, 5, and 3 live in this lovely colonial located on this 7-acre lot with beautiful trees, sunshine, singing birds, and lovely clouds. All of this could be yours for the lovely price of 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences. So, looking at my fact family here, I know that 2 of them have to be addition. I also know that in addition, my sum or my answer is always the biggest number. I know in subtraction, I always start with the biggest number. Because in addition, I'm taking 2 small pieces and bringing them together to make a big piece. And in subtraction, I'm taking a big piece and I'm breaking it apart into 2 smaller pieces. So, whenever I have a fact family, I can locate my biggest number, which Ava June, what is the biggest number in this fact family? 8. I can take my number 8 and I can say for both of my pluses, the 8 will be the sum because it's the biggest number. For both of my minuses, the 8 will be the first number because it's the biggest number. So whenever you're working with fact families, the biggest number goes at the end of your addition and at the beginning of your subtraction. Thumbs up if you're following. Perfect. So the first thing I did was plug and chug my 8s. Now, that leaves me with 2 other numbers, doesn't it? That leaves me with a 5 and a 3. Well, this is where it gets fun, Mateo, because all I have to do now is what I call plug and chug. You plug in the numbers and you chug right along. Take the 5 and you're going to put it anywhere you want, but it can only go once on each line. Okay, so 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. Okay? Now let's take our 3 and plug it into all the other spots. I I already have an 8 here. I already have a 5 here. So this one has to be my 3. I already have an 8. I already have a 5. So this one has to be my 3. I already have an 8. I already have a 5. So this one has to be my 3. I already have an 8. I already have a 5. So this one has to be my 3. Now, let's check our work and see if we're correct. Are we ready? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is 5 plus 3 8? It works. If I flip-flop my 5 and my 3, see? Now I have 3 plus 5. Is it still 8? Yes, so that one checks. If I have 8, but I take away 5, does that give me 3? That one works. If I have 8 and I take away 3, does it give me 5? So that one works. Fact families, friends. All right, let's try it again without all my circles and all of my whirligigs. And let's try it with a new set of numbers. Let's try it with 7, 2, and 5. Raise your hand. What's the first thing I should do when I'm filling in my fact family? Beckett? Pick my biggest number. Beckett, what is the biggest number? 7 is the biggest number. So what am I going to do with the 7, Beckett? Yeah, put it here and here for the addition. And where does it go for the subtraction? In the front. Good job. Because addition sentences always end with the biggest number and subtraction sentences always start with the biggest number. All right. Zipping right along. What's the next thing I do, Ava June? She said take your 2 and put it in one of the first boxes. So I put it here? Now can I put it here? No, because that one already has a 2, right? So I have to put it here. Okay? What next? Lily? Oh, I haven't finished my 2's yet, though. Put a 2 here and here, right? Okay, what's my last step? Mateo, what's my last step? I'm plugging and I'm chugging. I'm plugging and I'm chugging. I'm plugging in the 5 and I'm chugging right along. Plug a, chugga, chugga, plug a, chug. Is 2 plus 5 7? Is 5 plus 2 7? Is 7 plus 2 5? Is 7 minus 5 2? Well, boys and girls, you're so smart. I'm done writing on this board. I'm calling friends up to fill in the fact families for me. The next fact family that I'm going to put up here for you is going to be 9, 5, and 4. I'm going to choose a stick from my handy dandy stick pile. Number 12, would you please come up and fill in the members of this fact family for us? Absolutely. All right, let's see what he does. He's starting with his number 9 and putting it in the biggest spot on the subtraction and in the sum spot on the addition. He is a rock star. What is your next step, Mateo? Keep going. He's going to plug in the 5. Now, if you put the 5 right there and right there, you're going to have 2 of the same. There you go. That's the only thing you got to make sure. You can't put the 5 in the same spot twice. Beautiful. Now all you have left are your 4s, so go through and fill in your 4s. Let me help you out. Okay, go ahead. Put your 4 in there. Go ahead, Emma. All right. Have a seat, Mateo, and we're going to check your work. Friends at home and friends in the room. Is 5 plus 4 equal 9?
Yes.
Does 4 plus 5 equal 9?
Yes.
Does 9 minus 5 equal 4?
Yes.
And does 9 minus 4 equal 5?
Yes.
Woohoo! It works. Fact families are fun. Let's do another one. Alrighty then. Friends at home, I hope that as you watch this in your mind, you are working through the problem, trying to figure out the answers. I'm going to pull another stick. This time number 19 is going to come up. And number 19, your fact family members are going to be 10, 7, and 3. Good luck, young Padawan. Can he do it? All right. Silencio, por favor. He needs to concentrate. So what's the first thing you're going to do, bud? Puts the big number as his answer for his addition. He's off to a great start. Adding the big number to the first part of his subtraction. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And it's the answer to the second addition, and it's the first number in the second subtraction. So far, he is on a roll. We can call him Butter. All right, let's see. After you plug in your biggest number, what's the next thing you should do? Oh, yeah.
Butter.
It was a joke. You know, like you put butter on a dinner roll. Call him Butter. He's on a roll. It was just a joke, but we'll stop. All right, he put in his 3. And he put in his 7. Now what's he going to do next? Oh, it's like watching a sports match on TV. What's it going to be? Oh, he could go all the way. Yeah. Come on. Get her done. You have to hold the marker in order for the hand to work. You have to hold the marker in order for the hand to work. There you go. Beautiful. He's got 1 left. Ladies and gentlemen, the crowd gets quiet. With only 1 problem left, can he solve the family mystery? With his eyes closed. Ladies and gentlemen, this has never before been attempted in the history of Mrs. Bragg's first grade. With eyes closed, he will attempt to complete the fact family. Here we go. We needed quiet, friends. We needed very quiet.
Okay. So, my 10 money. Okay. That again?
Yeah, right there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. He's doing it. 1 number left. And the crowd goes wild. All right, very quickly, let's check. 3 plus 7 is 10. Check. 7 plus 3 is 10. Check. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Check. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Check. He did it. He did it. He did it. Yeah, lo hicimos. You did it. You did it. Yeah. All right, friends at home, we are going to let you go. You have a fact family worksheet that you can work on now. I look forward to seeing that fact family worksheet uploaded. And we will see you again soon. Everyone say bye, friends at home.